Welcome to Kathmandu Reel. What is an entrepreneur? Entrepreneur is a big word that means different things to different people. Barron publishes a book titled Finance and Investment Handbook, and it offers this definition of an entrepreneur: a person who takes on the risks of starting a new business. Many entrepreneurs have technical knowledge with which to produce a saleable product or to design. Entrepreneurs come in many different shapes and styles. Many choose the path of an entrepreneur because they hate being an employee. They want to be their own boss. They want to do their own thing. They do not like being told what to do. Many became entrepreneurs because they cannot get or keep a job. There are many people who are called serial entrepreneurs. They build a business and sell it, and again they start another one. They repeat the process over and over. And a few entrepreneurs become a true entrepreneur to change the world. Henry Ford, Thomas Edison, Walt Disney, Steve Jobs, you name it. Their impact on the world will last for decades. People usually ask the question, are we born entrepreneurs? I believe we are all born entrepreneurs. Before the existence of the industrial age, we were all entrepreneurs. Everybody had a small piece of land. We planted it, harvested and fed our families. Only we didn't sell it in the market. But we had entrepreneurial spirit inside us. Why should we be an entrepreneur? There are a few examples of why more and more people are becoming entrepreneurs. During the industrial age, entrepreneurs were known for creating jobs and businesses. In the information age, entrepreneurs are known for destroying jobs and businesses. In the real world of entrepreneurship, the entrepreneur that makes the mistake and learns from their mistakes wins. For example, Thomas Edison failed over 10,000 times before inventing electric light bulb. The trials and error of the process where the real entrepreneur goes through. They can be the lessons that determine the future of a business. If we look for the lesson in every mistake of failure, we have greater chances to become an entrepreneur. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe below.